Hi, this is Sai Reddy from Magneq Software. 30 days, 30 aptitude topics. Day 2. Today's topic LCM and HCF. LCM, least common multiple or least common divisor. So find the LCM of 12, 15 and 20. First one by using division method. By using division method. 12, 15 and 20. So first divisible by 5. Next 3, 4 times 1 time 4 and next 2. 2 times 1 times 2 again 2 1 time and 1, so 5 into 3 into 2 into 2, so 5 3 15 15 to 30 30 to the 60. LCM of 12 15 20 by using LCM method 60. Next one by using prime factorization method. 12 we can note as 2 into 6, 2 into 2 into 3. Next 15, 3 into 5, 20. 2 into 10, 2 into 2 into 5. So 12 we can take 2 square into 3 power 1. Next 15, 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. And next 2 square into 5 power 1. So in 2 squares, 2 square is the maximum value. And in 3, 3 power 1 is the maximum value. In 5, 5 power 1 is the maximum value. So 4 into 3 into 5. So LCM 60. Second method by using prime factorization method. Next, HCF, highest common factor. So factor means a number divides another number. For example, 12 is divisible by 6. Means 6 is the factor of 12. And 12 is divisible by 2. Means 2 is the factor of 12. And 12 is divisible by 3. And 12 is divisible by 4. 3 and 4 are factors of 12. Find HCF of 12 and 15. So first one by using division method. So 12 is the minimum value, 15 is the maximum value. 12 1 times 12. So 3. And again 12. 3 4 times 12. Remainder 0. Remainder 0. So 3 is the HCF of 12 and 15. 3 is the HCF of 12 and 15. Second one by using prime factorization method. So 12 we can take as 3 into 4, 3 into 2 into 2, and next 15. We can write 3 into 5. So 3 power 1 into 2 square and 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. In both 3 power 1 is the common. So 3 is the HCF of 12 and 15. 3 is the HCF of 12 and 15. Next, HCF of fractions equal to HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. LCM of fractions equal to LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. So find the LCM of 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So what is the formula? LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. HCF of denominators. So LCM of numerators. LCM of numerators 1, 2 and 4. HCF of denominators, HCF of 2, 3 and 5. So LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4 by HCF of 2, 3, 5. All are prime numbers, so 1. Answer 4. LCM of 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 is 4. Next, very important. Product of two numbers equal to product of their LCM and HCF. Product of two numbers equal to product of their LCM and HCF. One of the number is 40 and their LCM is 120 and HCF is 10. Then find the second number. So product of two numbers. So 40 into second number equal to LCM, product of their LCM 120 and their HCF. So second number equal to 1200 by 40. So 00 cancel, 30. So second number 30. For more updates for our YouTube channel, comment your answer. Find the HCF of 24 and 36.